My presentation is about deforestation and its consequences. We'll explore what deforestation is, why it happens, and how it impacts not only the environment, but also communities and economies. Let's dive right in. Deforestation refers to the permanent removal of trees in forested areas. This often happens to repurpose the land for agriculture, urban development, mining, or logging. But as forests disappear, ecosystems are severely disrupted, and this contributes to significant environmental degradation. Let's now look at the main causes behind deforestation. There are several major causes of deforestation. One is agricultural expansion. As the demand for food grows, forests are cleared for crops and livestock grazing. 2. Logging and timber extraction. Trees are cut down faster than they can regrow to meet the demands for furniture, paper, and fuel. 3. Infrastructure development. The construction of roads, cities, and dams lead to further clearing of forests. 4. Mining and resource extraction. Minerals, oils, and coal extraction require large areas of forest to be cleared, disrupting ecosystem. 5. Fires. Both natural and human-causing fires are major contributors to deforestation, not only destroying forests, but also increasing carbon emissions. Each of these factors plays a crucial role in the ongoing destruction of our planet's forests. Deforestation has severe impacts on biodiversity. One of the most immediate effects is habitat loss. In fact, around 70% of terrestrial species rely on forests for food and shelter. When these forests are destroyed, animals and planets lose their homes, leading to population declines. Additionally, rapid forest destruction accelerates species extinction. On average, 137 species are lost every day due to habitat destruction. This weakens ecosystems, making them less resilient and disrupting critical services like pollination, clean air, and soil health, all of which are vital for human survival. Deforestation also affects human communities. Displacement of indigenous communities. As forests are cleared, indigenous peoples are forced off their ancestral lands, losing their homes and traditional ways of life. Erosion of traditional lifestyles. The destruction of forests erases sacred sites and traditional ecological knowledge, putting cultural heritage at risk. Human rights violations. Deforestation often involves violence against activists and lack of consultation with indigenous communities, violating their rights and undermining global environmental agreements. On the economic front, deforestation has both short-term and long-term impacts. Short-term economic gains. Clearing forests can bring immediate financial benefits, such as income from agriculture, logging, and mining. It creates jobs and generates revenue. Long-term ecosystem service loss. However, the destruction of forests leads to soil erosion and disrupted water cycles, which harms agriculture and reduces soil fertility in the long run. Threats to food security. The environmental degradation caused by deforestation can decrease crop yields, which worsens poverty and undermines food security for rural communities. Now let's look at some solutions to combat deforestation. We need to adopt responsible harvesting methods like selective logging and replanting to ensure forests can regenerate and continue supporting biodiversity. By planting trees in deforested or degraded areas, we can restore forest cover, enhance biodiversity, and help absorb carbon dioxide. Natural regeneration is also a cost-effective alternative to monoculture plantations. Strengthening laws, improving transparency, and involving indigenous communities in forest management is essential to prevent illegal logging and promote sustainable practices.